Move it, the vehicle's on! Watch yourself! Get back up, Chad! Get out of the way!
He's stuck in the grass. You trapped.
Isaiah, get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle! Isaiah, stop the car! Isaiah! Isaiah, stop!
518, dispatch, you're coming in, one more readable, repeat please. Hundred 518, be advised, weapon is on that subject, the weapon is on that subject.
Copy. Hey, he has his weapon on him still.
Isaiah, Detective, I'm the one that transported you. We want to help you. Please stop. Isaiah.
Hands! Let me see your hands! Hands! I see hands!
Hey, look at me in the
Dispatch,
eyes.
Hands up!
You remember me?
No.
I'm the one that transported you. We talked about Panda Express and all
Don't
that.
reach with your hands! Don't reach with your hands!
Slowly step forward.
Don't reach with your hands!
Do not reach. Do not reach.
Do not reach.
Can I pee?
One person! One person commands!
We'll talk to you and you can pee.
We'll let you pee later!
Plus, hands up. Walk
I want you to stand up!
Walk out. No.
No! No!
Do not reach.
Please don't make us shoot you. Do not stand up on both
You
feet.
want to shoot me?
I am not going to shoot you.
You want to
I'm not going to shoot you.
I pee.
So sorry, Mama.
No, 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 no. All we want to do is talk to you. No, no, no.
Volcano dispatch, 516, passing TV.
Isaiah, we care about you. We want to make sure you're
1837.
Please stop. You and I spent an hour together talking during a transport. And you told me a bunch of stuff about you, and I know you're a good guy. I know you're a good guy.
We're just trying to sort it out. No, no. Let me see your hands, please.
I know you are.
Hands.
Please show us your hands.
Yeah, because I got to tell you one thing.
No, no, no. Let me see your hands.
Did I f***ing move you? Isaiah.
I'm just we're just trying to get you out of here.
What? 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 Shoot.
I don't want to shoot you. I don't want to shoot you, man.
Isaiah.
Hands up. Hands up. Turn around and walk.
Isaiah, you're shoot me. Fucking
Nope. No, sir.
Let's go.
No, sir. We don't want to end it that way.
Isaiah,
No, sir.
you're a good guy. Please stop.
Put it down.
Please stop. I just want to talk to you.
Put it down then.
You're scaring me.
You like fucking talk.
We are talking.
Put it down. That's talking. Sure, I pray. In Jesus' name, rebuke these fucking demons.
We don't want to do this.
In Jesus' name.
I got a bunch of grass here.
Move. Please. I would ask you guys nicely.
Isaiah,
In Jesus' name, rebuke these demons. Please.
Taser, taser, taser.
Central Puna air shots fired.
Volcano dispatch 500, shots fired.
Still moving. Isaiah, let's see your hat. Go on. Isaiah.
I have one arm up. Left arm up.
Moving around. On your 6. Yep, moving. On your right.
In Jesus' name.
Stop.
Moving. Shots fired! Shots fired! Get cover! Clear the air, shots fired, shots fired. You good? No eyes, no eyes!